Good evening, everyone. I, Sabita Katal, welcome you all to attend online classes. Today, I will take class 7th GK. Before going further, let me discuss the syllabus, which includes first to 28 pages. The first chapter, the world around us, the magic of words, the world of books, young scientist, India Unlimited, around the world, playing the game, art and culture. So all 1 to 28 pages are included in the first term. The first chapter is about dogs. Many of us have kept dogs at our homes because it guards our house, it plays with us and fills our life with entertainment. What is given here? Dogs are man's best friend. Undoubtedly, there are more than 500 million dogs in the world. So, few breeds are discussed here. Let me read it one by one. This dog is used for herding sheep. Okay, this is Collie, Collie. Its name is Collie, and such dogs are used by shepherds to take care of their sheep. Next one, this dog is a sprinter by nature. Sprinter means a fast runner. And its name is Greyhound. It's very affectionate, quiet and well-mannered and can be kept at home very easily. Next one, this hunting dog is trained to indicate the position of game. It is called pointer. It belongs to England, so it is called also English pointer. Such dogs prefer to live at homes along with the family members. Next one is this dog is used by the police to trace the criminal. Actually, it is these type of dogs are used for hunting animals like deer, boar and also locating criminals. It is bloodhound. Next one is here. This dog was originally bred for rescue. Its name is Saint Bernard. These dogs are working dogs but short-lived. It only lives for 8 to 10 years. It is found that these are quite dangerous, so it should not be kept at home. Next one, this dog is the smallest breed of dog. Its name is Chihuahua. The smallest breed. It is from Mexico. Its name is named after the Mexican city Chihuahua. Next one is called, this is a large, strong dog breed from Canadian province. Its name is Newfoundland. Very affectionate, loving and caring and can be kept at the homes. One more breed is mentioned here, the Rottweiler. It is a large-sized dog breed. It was originally bred to drive cattle to market. In India, you will find these Rottweilers often in the homes. Now, the next question is here. Match these dog breeds with the countries of their origin. The first one is Doberman, which is from Germany. The answer is given here, Germany. First one is Germany. Second one is Canny. It is an Indian breed, so it is from India. Third one is Golden Retriever. It is from Britain. So the answer is Britain. Here now, fourth one is Poodle. It is from France. Fourth one is from France. Fifth one, Cocker Spaniel. It is from USA, America. Last one, Dingo. Dingo is from Australia. I hope you have got the answers. Children, do learn this chapter today itself only so that you will not find any problem during examination. Now, the next chapter is hibernation. You know, many animals hibernate for many months. Okay, so what is a hibernation? Some animals hibernate, means they sleep for long months. Hibernation is an extended period of deep sleep that allows these animals to survive extreme cold. Some animals, they sleep for long months to keep themselves from unfavorable weather like extreme cold or extreme summers. Not just winters, extreme heat can also make some animals to hibernate. Some are mentioned here. The first one is here African kingfish, European hedgehog, third one dormouse, fourth one is a mouse lemur. Let me read about these animals. First one, its name means sleep mouse. It curls up in its nest to preserve body heat and goes into a deep sleep. Again here, these such animals go for deep sleep. From time to time, it wakes up to eat. Undoubtedly, they wake up for eating, drinking, and perform other body function. Its name is dormouse. Second one, before hibernating, before going to sleep, it digs and goes underground to build a nesting place. It also stores seeds and nuts in its nesting place. Its name is chipmunk. Before hibernating, it digs and goes underground, okay, to build a nesting place for itself, and it also stores seeds and nuts in its nesting place for its safe survival. Now next one, this fish goes into summer hibernation, that is avestation, when weather is unfavorable and food becomes scarce. Okay, this fish goes into summer hibernation, means just to keep itself from heat, extreme heat. It goes into hibernation, deep sleep, and it is called estivation when weather is unfavorable and food become very scarce. Okay, so its name is African lungfish. Now next one is the fourth one. It builds up fat reserves during autumn season by feeding on berries. It eats berries. It digs a den, lines it with grass, and then goes into dormancy. Its name is polar bear. Again, these polar bear, they also hibernate to keep themselves safe from extreme winters. Next is it is a nocturnal animal. Okay, it wakes up. Nocturnals are those which wakes up at nights. So its spines protect it from predators, hunters. It hibernates during the winter. Which season here? Winter. Again, these hibernate because they want to keep themselves from winters. Its name is European hedgehog. Last one, it is the smallest primate. Primate is a family of monkeys. It is from monkey family. It is the smallest primate. It is the omnivorous, and its weight fluctuates during hibernation. When they hibernate, their weight also starts going up and down. Even sometimes they put on weight and sometimes they lose their weight. So its name is mouse lemur. Okay, and one more fact is given to us here. Some hibernating animals wake up for short spurts during the winter months to eat and relieve themselves. Other animals sleep through the entire winter season without doing either. Some animals, they wake up in a while to eat food, and some animals, they do not wake up during this hibernation period, and without doing anything. I hope you have got these two chapters. Learn these two chapters. In the next video, I will start with the next chapter.